me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. The city keeps me distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving. Just take your mask off and join me. I know you're dying to see all the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle.
So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Now I'm going to be completely honest with you. I had an entirely different video fully prepared to publish this morning, and I decided not to. I was going to do a video on a stalker that I have from Australia. The guy's a real nut job. I prepared a hilarious and sarcastic video dedicating it to this guy in Australia, and I said, you know what, it's Mother's Day, I'm just not going to do it. I don't know if I'll ever do it. At some point I may tell the story. I need to call my friend Mark Daniel over in Australia and ask him what's going on over there, because everybody from Australia that I have ever dealt with are kind, nice people. We have a lot of people from Australia that watch our channel, but there's this one guy over there. He's nuts. He really is. I may tell you the story sometime, but we'll have to see. But anyways, it is Mother's Day, and I'm down here at the sawmill right now. I started this video last night. I'm only going to be down here for just a bit to finish up this one log, but I wanted to answer a few questions about the sawmill, and I also had a pretty good idea, I think, that I'd like to run by you guys. So this is another nice white pine from West Virginia. I'm sawing this into pickets for the fence down there, and also some of this will be used for siding, probably on a hunting shack down in West Virginia. Now the reason that I cut these down, you can see there's two 6-inch pieces here. You know, I could easily have sawed some nice 12-inch wide boards, but they have a tendency to cup and twist a little bit. I think 6-inch is a nice size for that. It seems to be a little bit more stable. I'm no expert on the white pine. I've only started sawing it, a couple months ago or whatever, but that seems to be the case. There's been one reoccurring question about this sawmill. People were saying when I engage the blade, it looks as though the engine is tilting to the side, and they're correct. So this is a Yanmar diesel, and when you flip the switch to engage the blade, it tilts over a little bit and tightens up on the drive belt that's in there. That's how it works. I'll start it up and show you. Let her warm up for just a minute. That's how it works. This mill, something like this LT50, this is designed to run, 8-10 hours a day for years on end. I will never wear this sawmill out. So far, I've put about 8 hours on it, and I think it came with an hour on it. So I've only actually ran it 7 hours so far. But anyway, right now, let's crank out some boards, and then I will tell you about the idea that I have. All right, so right there, no time at all, I got 14 1x6s. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 2, 14. They're actually 7/8 of an inch thick. I think what I'll do now, well, here in a little bit, this bottom piece, I'm going to cut this in half. This is 8 inches. And I'll have 2 4-inch pieces, and then I'll cut some 2x4s out of that. But right now I want to tell you what my idea is, and then I need to get back up to the house because it is Mother's Day. So here's what I'm thinking. This is what my idea is. I've got this new sawmill, and it is wicked fast, and I'm getting quicker. I'm starting to catch up to it. I can crank some lumber out in a hurry, and we have a good source of logs around here between the property and just people that I know. I probably won't sell a lot of softwoods like this white pine. I'll be using this, but if you guys are interested in some good hardwoods, you would be buying it green. And what I was thinking is we would do a video, you know, say I go out in the woods and I get a big down cherry tree, bring it in here. We'll do a video sawing it up. We'll saw it into like 4/4, maybe some 8/4. Stack and sticker it. We'll tally it all up, and I'll put a price on it. And if anyone's interested in it, they can email me and pick it up like the following week. We'll have pickup times. I'm just throwing this out there right now, but let's say 2 to 4 on a Saturday. So if I publish a video the Saturday prior, it would be 1 week, and you could come here and pick up your lumber. If that's something you're interested in, let me know. And what we'll have to do, you know, I won't be able to hold on to it, or, hey, I'm passing through your area in September, anything like that. If you're interested in it, you'll buy it, pick it up. You know, I need a couple-hour window on a Saturday or a Sunday afternoon, something like that. But we'll work out all the details. I think it would be pretty cool because, like I said, I've got the mill, I've got the source for logs, and I can crank it out in a hurry. And what you could do on your end then, you could take that wood home, you could stack and sticker it, you could take it somewhere to be kiln dried if you'd like, and then you're always going to have a reference video. So say you build a nice piece of furniture out of some nice cherry or walnut, and you're showing it to somebody, you can say, let me show you where that log came from, and you can go back and show them that that tree came from Pennsylvania, how it was milled, stacked, stickered, all that. And then the following week, when we do the next video, we'll probably include a little bit of footage from whoever comes here and picks up the lumber from the week before. So I'm just thinking out loud, but I think that'd be a pretty good idea. I always get questions from people asking when we're going to start selling lumber. We have been, but just locally. But this will give you guys a chance, if you're interested, to be able to get some of this stuff. But yeah, I'm thinking not huge quantities, but you know, maybe like 200 board foot packs or something like that. Decent size, you know, half a pickup load. I'll probably saw mostly everything in 8 or 10 foot lengths, and it'll be a good mix. 4/4 stuff, 1 inch, 8/4, 2 inches thick, and it will probably be cherry, red oak, white oak, a little bit of walnut, maybe some soft maple. But let me know in the comments if you're interested. But this is going to be a short video because, like I said, it's Mother's Day, and I scrapped the idea for the other video. We may still do that sometime, I don't know. But I think that's about it. And before I end this, I just want to thank all of you for being here. I really appreciate it. We have a really nice community here. We run into people all the time when we're out and about, when we're traveling to West Virginia, and we're all just the same kind of people, and hardworking, just want to provide for your family, and kind of just to be left alone, you know what I mean? And I appreciate that, I do. But I think that's about it, and I will catch you on the next one.